Welcome to this presentation on controlled bidirectional DC circuit breaker with zero negative current for high load shift applications. This research was conducted by Venkata Raghavendra et al. And published in 21st November 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Global electricity generation by renewable energy sources and the electrification of the transportation system are gaining more importance to mitigate climate change. The DC system plays a significant role in these developments. To protect DC systems, DC circuit breakers with advanced technology are required that are fast and reliable. The proposed BDSSCB topology consists of inductors L1 and L2 and thyristors T1 and T2 in the main conduction path. To interrupt the fault current, an auxiliary circuit with shunt capacitors C1 and C2 controlled by IGBTs Q1 and Q2 are used. These capacitors inject a reverse current into the main thyristor to turn it OFF. The schematic diagram of the proposed BDSSCB is shown in Figure 3. The modes of operation and component selection of the proposed BDSSCB are discussed in this section. Simulation results showed that there is no negative load current flow during the starting of the circuit breaker, unlike in the conventional ZSCBs. During the fault instant at 10 meses, IGBT Q1 is turned ON, such that capacitor C2 discharges in opposite direction to that of the main thyristor, thereby turning OFF the device. Waveforms showing the capacitor discharging during the fault are shown in Figure 7b. The features of the proposed BDSSCB are compared with a few existing topologies reported in the literature. The proposed topology is compared with various topologies in terms of passive components and semiconductor devices used to incorporate the complete bidirectional capability. The overall component count of the proposed topology is relatively low compared with the components present in the existing topologies, and most of the components are active only during the fault interruption. This article presented a modified DCCB with bidirectional power flow capability BDSSCB. The BDSSCB addressed the issues of unwanted negative current flow in the loads during circuit breaker reclosing after clearing the fault. The thyristors were used as the main switches for the DC fault interruption. The low impedance capacitor discharge circuit was employed for creating zero net current in the main thyristor.